Hey guys, so that was my Asta drawing in my YouTube sketchbook. So I got this YouTube sketchbook few months ago in a creator summit, and since then I've been wondering how to use it, and finally I decided to start using it as a sketchbook. And for the first drawing of the sketchbook, I decided to draw Asta from Black Clover. A lot of you had also requested for this character, so here it is. The paper of the sketchbook was not very suitable for Copic markers, as it was not suitable for alcohol based markers. It was quite challenging to make a good drawing out of this paper. Also, the size of the sketchbook is pretty small, and the area to draw was quite restricted because I'm used to draw in a A4 size or an A3 size paper, and this was my first time drawing Asta. I enjoyed it a lot drawing him, and I'm really happy with the results. There were a lot of colors used in this character, and I tried to finish it off with an aura which was suitable for this character, and it gave a devilish kind of a look to it because this character has sort of demon powers. So that was my first drawing in my new YouTube sketchbook. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. And if you are new to this channel, then subscribe for more awesome drawings, art challenges and more. And that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.